you are applying for BEL. Give a brief
Yes, ma'am.
introduction of yourself.
Good evening, ma'am. I am Sanjeev Kumar. I basically belong to Bokaro district in Jharkhand. I did my schooling from Guru Gobind Singh Public School, Bokaro. Then I did BTech from Heritage Institute of Technology, Kolkata in mechanical stream. I belong to basic family background. My father is in SAIL, that is PSU, and mother is housemaker. After BTech, I start preparing for government jobs and different PSU exams.
Okay, Sanjeev. So, see, in your introduction, you should not mention your family. Okay.
Okay.
This is your first interaction with anybody?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we go in ascending or descending order. Okay. You are
Okay.
saying that you belong to Jharkhand, and then you are done your schooling from there. Then you are saying that so you come to BTech. Okay.
Okay.
After that, so when did you complete your BTech?
In 2018,
After that, what you have done?
I prepared for government exams. I tried, but I failed many a times. I reached
So since
interview.
2018, you have not been doing anything. 5 years gap, five and a half years
Yes,
gap.
yes, ma'am.
So how would you show that?
So that, ma'am, I will tell that I
Huh?
tried for government jobs, but I failed every time. I
But at least you should justify that. You cannot say that 5 years you were just trying. Try to see what you can say in that. Okay, you have to
ma'am,
justify that. And what about your BTech project?
my BTech project is effect of cutting fluids on steel to see the surface roughness. Effect of different cutting fluids to see the
Hmm.
surface roughness of steel.
Okay, so your branch is mechanical.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So in that would be must you must have applied different cutting tools and this
Yes, ma'am.
microstructure study is there?
Yes, no, or micro surface studies only, or microstructure, no. Only surface. What could be roughness, height of surface
Okay,
roughness,
not even it's not microstructure study, it's just the
no,
surface study. Okay.
surface.
Okay, you can answer questions about that.
Yes, ma'am.
What about any internships or anything which you have done?
Yes, I did internship from SAIL in after second year, that is industrial training.
That you mentioned, I think.
Yes, I will mention.
Hello? So you are comfortable with that and you can answer questions on that?
Yes, ma'am, I can answer.
Okay. And what about any other some like any other event organizations or any
Yes,
achievements?
at college I have a responsibility roles that I am the president of technical fest, that is Daksh, and Ecclesia is cultural fest organizer, and the captain of college cricket team also.
You could mention that in your introduction.
And acha, that will
See,
be mentioned.
see here your teamwork, your team leadership, your overall like discipline, everything like different kind of qualities are depicted through your different roles.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay,
So these
okay,
kind, whether you have an achievement, whether you have held some positions, you should mention that in your introduction.
okay.
Okay. If you're mentioned separately for something, you have been a topper throughout or something like that, these should be mentioned. Okay. Fine.
Thank you.
So you can include that in your introduction. Okay. Now let me come to the next question. Why you want to apply to BEL?
Ma'am, as the BEL is one of the prestigious PSUs in India, and it is also got a Navratna status under the Ministry of Defense. So, BEL vision is to be in the leading electronic defense throughout the globe. And we know that the many products of BEL, like electronic voting machine, Akash defense systems, are highly popular and exporting to many countries. So I could contribute in the way with my technical knowledge.
So where as a mechanical engineer you can work in BEL?
As the profile mentioned, is probationary engineer. So till the new role assigned by the BL, I will work as a probationary engineer.
Okay. Can you tell me about the competitors of BEL?
Competitors are BL in design sector. I think HL is a competitor that also makes manufacture different UAVs and armed vehicles for Indian Defense Forces, and HAL and I HAL and said BHEL also, BHEL, Bharat Heavy Electronics Limited. Till India, I know this only.
Okay, so where is the naval division of BEL?
Naval Division of BEL.
Mm.
I exactly I don't remember, ma'am, but the headquarters of BEL is in Bangalore. Don't know the exact.
Okay, right at the beginning, there was an overseas office set up for BEL. Where was it set up?
Overseas, I can't. I don't remember.
Okay, okay. Under which ministry does it come?
Ministry of Defense.
Can you like see you know what is SWOT analysis?
SWOT.
Yeah.
I heard about SWOT analysis, but I don't know the exact
Okay, let
meaning
me
of.
just, there's a strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats. So if
What's
you
the
can just
strength?
tell me two strengths of BEL.
Two strength. One of the strength is in one of the leading products is EVM, electronic. Many democratic nations are continuously asking government of India to deliver EM. It's highly reliable, and day by day it's getting more accurate. And second is Akash surveillance system that protects our long coastline borders. A tour strength. And as per my knowledge, the BL is has no weakness. That weakness means they are upgrading day by day by being a developing country due to crunch of resources. They are working on it.
What about opportunities?
And for me in BL, but for BL opportunities,
Yeah, BEL opportunities.
um, BL opportunities, BL has opportunities to grow, like in communication sector. They are still not very so much diverse in communication sectors, and that radar system. We hear news about surveillance in Jammu Kashmir. If we have a strong radar system, we can tackle that also.
So, okay, let me Sanjeev give you feedback on these things also. One thing is you need to see read about BEL a bit,
Okay, fine.
right? The second is you should know what opportunities does BEL have, collaboration or something like whatever collaboration opportunities and all that stuff. We are talking and strengths also. You mentioned products. Strength means it is a government company. It has a government backing. It is a strength, but it can also be a weakness because government interference can be there. Okay, so threats through other competitors. Okay, so these kind of things is required when you answer for this kind of questions. Okay, and I think you're not that confident in answering questions because you have not read about these things. So when you are
Yes,
answering, you are like your voice is going low and high and all. In the beginning, it is okay, then it goes low.
okay,
Okay, so you have to maintain eye contact. You have to maintain a constant volume of your speech. Okay, you should
okay.
be confident. The confidence will come when you read about it. Okay.
So, ma'am, how I will justify this gap? Matlab, the basic
Yeah.
thing is that basic thing is, ma'am, please.
It is possible for you to say if you're doing something, you might be doing something, anything which is maybe a family business or maybe a shop or whatever. I don't know. See, you have to find out what you can do in that. Okay. So if you tell me, I can modify it.
The thing is, I get prepared 2 to 3 years after BTech for GATE and EAC, but after 2021 I switched to civil services. So, did can I mention that I'm preparing for civil services?
Then the questions would be okay, fine. First you were preparing for GATE and all, and then you started preparing for civil services.
Yes.
Okay. Hmm. Any other which you can show, like kind of that you were doing, maybe tuitions or whatever. Okay.
मतलब कि if you informal tuitions are ma'am maybe not entertained in that much way if I tell that.
It's not that. It's something that you were preparing, and along with that, you were doing something which could earn something. Okay,
Okay.
fine.
Okay.
So let's think about it. You also think about it, and then if you share it with me, then I can mold it.
Okay, sure.
Okay, fine.
Okay.